So guys, for now, I want to create a form to put to my entity in the Dataverse entity created before. I want make this, make a creation. How to do it, right? What you must do to create a form where you put it, the create form inside your core page portal. How to do it? Let's see now. So, guys, the first thing you must do is go to your Design Studio core page and create a new page. For example, start from blank, right? And I will create a create form to the product. Okay, product. So now let's do it. I add, and you must pick the form, right? New form. Choose the table, for example, product, right? And select the form you have to do it. And after that, you can, like you see here, upload a form to your to your page, right? And you can see it this in your page. After this, you go, for example, to your products list, right? Go to your products list. In the list, you edit the list, and in the actions, you must, for example, create a new record, right? And selected the action, create new record, it select the form. And now, after this, you can make OK, put a preview, make sync, and you see now your create button inside your form in your list, right? After this, you can go preview, see it in your Power page, and if you see, you can create now, for example, products, right? You must fill the captcha. This is you can also remove the captcha, put what you want, and put more fields inside your form, and so on, right? That's it. To create a form inside your Power Page is so easy than this. Now you can ask how to edit and visualize or delete. It's the same process, but stay with me and I will show you. Bye bye. See you soon.